Hello students, I welcome you all to Shiv Chhatrapati Shikshan Sanstha Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. These are the online sessions of 21-22 batch, class 4 social studies. I'm your teacher, Mr. Sachin. So, in previous videos, we have seen some of the very important rivers of northern India. Now, in today's session, we will be seeing about the peninsular rivers of our India. So let's start. Before starting, let's revise a little bit what we have learned in previous videos. In previous sessions, we have learned about very important rivers that are present in the northern India, that is the Indus River system, Ganga River system, and Brahmaputra River system. These are called as the Himalayan rivers. These are also known as the perennial rivers. So we have seen information about these three main rivers. Some very important concepts we have seen, that is the perennial rivers and the meaning of non-perennial rivers. We have also seen one definition, one term that is called as river system, and we have seen these three very important river basins. These are the Himalayan rivers or the perennial rivers, we say it like that. So in today's session or in this video series, we are going to see the peninsular rivers one by one. So let's start. In today's video, you will be learning about the peninsular rivers, what are the features, what are the characteristics of peninsular rivers. So let's start. Peninsular rivers are also known as non-perennial rivers. Actually, there is one mountain range, there is one hill range. It is known as Western Ghats, which is running from the north to the southern tip of our India, and that Western Ghats happens to be the main water divide of the peninsular. Okay, but let's see what is meant by peninsular rivers first. Whatever the rivers which have origin on this peninsular part of our India, these rivers will be referred as peninsular rivers. And one very important characteristic and very important feature of these peninsular rivers, it is that they are non-perennial rivers because they get water only and only from the rainfall. There are some major peninsular rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, which flow towards the east side and finally they meet Bay of Bengal. These rivers also make deltas at their mouth near the Bay of Bengal. There are also some numerous small streams which flow towards the west side and meet the Arabian Sea from these western Ghats. The two very big west flowing rivers, these are the Narmada and Tapi. Narmada and Tapi are only the big west flowing rivers. Others west flowing rivers, these are little smaller streams, or you may say these are small rivers which originates in the western Ghats and they suddenly move towards the west side and they meet the Arabian Sea. The drainage basins of peninsular rivers are comparatively small in size as compared to the Himalayan rivers. The main peninsular rivers, if you want to see, we are going to learn the Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, and Kaveri river one by one. So you can see the north to south order like this. The first one, if you are coming from north side, it would be Narmada river. The next one, Tapi river. If you come little down towards the south side, you will be getting the Godavari river, Krishna river, and at last you are having the Kaveri river. We are going to see it one by one.